An anthropologist is a person with an extensive knowledge of anthropology who uses this knowledge in their work, typically to solve problems specific to humanity. Anthropology is concerned with studying the subject matter of fields such as philosophical anthropology, archaeological anthropology, sociocultural anthropology, linguistic anthropology, literary anthropology, as well as biological anthropology and forensic anthropology. There is a sense in which every human being is an anthropologist, if a very humanistic and generous interpretation is accepted. This is to say that every human being is related to others and has a unique way of life. However, a more generally accepted interpretation in academia is that an anthropologist is one who has attained a Ph.D. in anthropology, teaches anthropology or carries out anthropological field research, and has published literature in a field of anthropology in a peer-reviewed journal, or is widely accepted by other anthropologists as an anthropologist. Education. Anthropologists usually cover a breadth of topics within anthropology in their undergraduate education, and then proceed to specialize in topics of their own choice at the graduate level. In some universities, a qualifying exam serves to test both the breadth and depth of a student's understanding of anthropology. The students who pass are permitted to work on a doctoral dissertation. Quotations: the following are quotations about anthropologists, or by anthropologists. Anthropology is perhaps the last of the great 19th-century conglomerate disciplines still for the most part organizationally intact. Long after natural history, moral philosophy, philology, and political economy have dissolved into their specialized successors, it has remained a diffuse assemblage of ethnology, human biology, comparative linguistics, and prehistory, held together mainly by the vested interests, sunk costs, and administrative habits of academia, and by a romantic image of comprehensive scholarship. Clifford Geertz on the back cover of Unwrapping the Sacred Bundle. Further reading. Some notable anthropologists include Edward Burnett Tyler, James George Fraser, Franz Boas, Bronisław Malinowski, Alfred Radcliffe Brown, Margaret Mead, Claude La Copyright Vi Strauss, Clifford Geertz, and Paul Rabinow. See also, psychologist, biologist. References